This is what happens when a massive brand lets a robot write its ads.
Diagnostic failed. Overload imminent.
We, my friend, are in a marketing apocalypse. Corporations are pouring huge sums of money into AI, and they're promising brilliant marketing. But what they're getting is a public relations dumpster fire. So today, I'm going to expose how these companies are using AI and how it's creating a marketing apocalypse, a marketing nightmare, so you don't do the same thing. Now, the poster child for this mess is Willy Wonka's chocolate experience. Do you remember hearing about this in the news? It was in Glasgow, and it was an AI-generated ad, pretty much, that promised a magical wonderland featuring dreamlike images and nonsensical phrases, and hundreds of people paid around $44 a ticket. But what they actually walked into, the customers, was a half-empty warehouse. The result was chaos. Children were crying, kids were screaming, outraged parents called the police, and the organizers used AI to sell a dream that no one had bothered to build. Look at this. This is a total disconnect between the slick, automated promise of AI and the grim human reality. Really, really good example, but bad marketing. This is the worst it could possibly get. But that was just one event. Giant brands are making the same mistake. Check out these holiday ads from McDonald's and Coca-Cola. Brands built on heartwarming nostalgia were slammed by viewers across the internet for being creepy and soulless. And it turns out AI is notoriously bad at warmth and human connection. It's so true. And then there's the fashion industry. Brands like Levi's, they announced plans to use AI-generated models for diversity, but that also backfired. Audiences caught on and called it diversity theater, using technology to create the appearance of diversity instead of actually hiring diverse people. That is going to kill your brand. Finally, you have the rise of AI slop. You might see this a lot on LinkedIn. A comment, someone posts something that somebody tries to pass by as AI, but somebody notices it, and immediately a comment pops up and it says AI slop. I've seen it tons of times. I've seen other people go through it. I've seen AI-powered articles confidently make up facts because generative AI doesn't know things, and it just predicts the next word. So believe me, this basic misunderstanding that people do not notice because they're lazy using AI in their marketing, it's causing huge reputational damage. So why is this happening? It's not just the tech that's bad, it's chaos inside the companies themselves. And the number one culprit is a crisis in data quality. The first rule of AI is garbage in, garbage out. But the biggest reason why AI is failing in marketing is that human emotion gap. In the race to automate, marketers forgot they were supposed to be connecting with humans. AI in its current form can't do empathy or cultural nuance. When you remove human intuition, you get marketing that is faceless, generic, and forgettable. The AI marketing apocalypse is not about evil robots. Don't get me wrong. It's a very human story about chasing shortcuts. Brands have become so fixated on the shiny new tool that they've forgotten the first rule of communication. Know your audience. This doesn't mean AI is totally useless and you should abandon it, but it has to support human storytelling, not replace it. It needs human strategy, human oversight, and human empathy to guide it. And the brands that understand this will absolutely thrive. But the ones who believe an algorithm can manufacture a soul, they're going to continue to fuel this apocalypse, showing us all of the high cost of losing the human touch in the examples that we put up on the stage today. So what are some of the worst AI ads you've seen. Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more breakdowns of where the digital world is going right now and where it's going horribly wrong, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.